14-year-old among three killed in Westmoreland crash. Two brothers shot dead while playing dominoes in Westmoreland. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. 3 persons died as a result of injuries they sustained in a motor vehicle collision on Bay Road, Little London in Westmoreland on Friday, May 10. They are 43-year-old Owen Barnes, manager of Good Hope, Westmoreland, 14-year-old Shanika Savario of Strawberry District, Westmoreland, and 48-year-old Alwyn Savaria, a welder of Friendship, Westmoreland. Reports from the Little London Police are that about 9:40 p.m., a Toyota Ice motorbus and a Toyota Corolla motorcar were traveling in opposite directions along the roadway when the two vehicles collided head-on. The police were summoned and the injured persons were transported to hospital where the drivers of both vehicles, along with Shanique, who was a passenger in the Toyota Ice motorbus, were pronounced dead. The bloodletting continued in Westmoreland as two brothers were shot and killed while playing dominoes at a shop in Burnt Savannah Farm in the parish on Saturday night. The deceased men have been identified as 44-year-old auto mechanic Damian Powell, otherwise called Dankini, and 42-year-old businessman Colin Daly, otherwise called Gary, both from the community. A 61-year-old man who was also shot and injured in the incident. It is reported that shortly after 9 p.m., the brothers were among a group of men at a shop playing dominoes when they were pounced upon by two men on a motorcycle. The men on the motorcycle opened gunfire at the group of men, who ran frantically in different directions in fear of their lives. After the shooting subsided, Powell and Daly were found motionless, lying on the ground, suffering from what appeared to be gunshot wounds to their upper bodies, and another man was found suffering from a gunshot wound to his right leg. All 3 injured men were transported by the police to a hospital where Daly and Powell were pronounced dead on arrival. The injured man was treated and admitted in stable condition.